For serious athletes, getting hurt is not an if, it's a when. And when the pain hits your knees, your back, or any one of the many injuries common among athletes, KT Tape is there to help. KT Tape is a drug-free elastic sports tape that works when it's stretched and applied to the skin using simple techniques. Chris Harper, a practicing physical therapist, explains how KT Tape works.
There have been a wide range of scientific studies aiming to measure and analyze the effects of different kinesiology tape application techniques. Researchers have hypothesized that the effect of kinesiology tape can largely depend on how the tape is applied. While the effects are still being evaluated clinically, researchers believe kinesiology tape has the ability to affect pain perception and mechanical processes in the body. With some applications, it is believed kinesiology tape can affect an athlete's sensory feedback, also known as proprioception, through receptors in the skin and in turn influence movement in the body. In other application techniques, kinesiology tape has been shown to reduce pain, making it an excellent drug-free alternative. Another technique has been theorized to facilitate lymphatic drainage following an injury by lifting the skin, thereby helping reduce swelling. Due to the elastic properties and breathability of KT Tape brand kinesiology tape, it is an excellent alternative to other contemporary taping techniques.
Professional athletic trainers, chiropractors, and physical therapists across the country, like Chris, trust KT Tape to provide patients pain relief and support for many common injuries. I use KT Tape products on aching knees during and after runs, on quads, hamstrings, and my lower back for gym workouts, and even on my shoulder when I play basketball. But those are just a few of the many uses for KT Tape.
KT Tape products can be used for a number of soft tissue, muscle, tendon, and ligament injuries to provide pain relief. Back pain, shoulder pain, knee pain, plantar fasciitis, shin splints, and tennis elbow are just a handful of many injuries for which KT Tape products can be used to help you recover faster from pain. What's really great about KT Tape products is how easy they are to use. KTTape.com has over 50 step-by-step, easy-to-follow application videos to help you become an expert taper in no time. In these short 2-minute videos, you can learn how to tape yourself for some of the most common sports injuries.
KT Tape has a full line of recovery products available at KTTape.com or any one of thousands of major and independent retailers across the country. Find it at a store near you in the pharmacy or first aid section near the tapes and bandages, as well as most sporting goods sections by the braces and wraps. So don't ignore those nagging sports injuries any longer. Find drug-free pain relief with KT Tape so you can train longer and finish stronger.